I'm not calling people with avoidant dismissive attachment styles cannibalistic, but this is my cat Maui. And as much as it seems like he loves me and we have a bond, unlike a dog, if I were to die in the house, he would consume my dead body. He evolved to be a solitary, self-sufficient hunter. Attachment styles, according to Thais Gibson, are subconscious survival programs formed as children to get our needs met, leading some of us to be avoidant dismissive, like cats or Maui, feeling strong alone, shame from vulnerability, or minimizing their needs. Or you could be more like the hermit crab, or the swan, or the meerkat. Keep in mind, your attachment style is not your personality, it's just your nervous system strategy for survival. Here at the Peace of Mind Initiative, we see you, we care for you, we love you. Send this to a friend, a lover, an ex, and let us know which animal you attract the most. Peace.